Welcome to today's video. Have you ever stood up quickly from bed or your chair and suddenly felt the world spin for a moment? Your vision dimming, your knees wobbling, your brain feeling oddly light. It's that strange, fleeting sensation where you're not quite sure if you're dizzy, floating, or about to faint. This video explains why you feel dizzy when you stand up too fast. It's a fascinating example of how finely tuned and sometimes fragile our body's systems really are. Imagine you're lying on the couch after a long day. You suddenly jump up to grab something from the kitchen, and within a second, your vision starts to blur. You see little sparkles, your balance slips for a heartbeat, and then, just as quickly, you're fine again. That dizzy feeling isn't just you being tired. It's actually your body trying to recover from a brief moment when your brain wasn't getting enough blood. To prevent this, consider standing up slowly to give your body time to adjust. Staying well hydrated can also help maintain adequate blood pressure and reduce dizziness. Additionally, try flexing your legs before standing and avoid sitting with your legs crossed for long periods. These minor adjustments can help your body distribute blood more evenly and prevent sudden drops in blood pressure. The science behind it: when you're lying down, gravity helps distribute blood evenly throughout your body. Your brain, which sits above your heart, gets a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients through blood flow. But when you stand up suddenly, gravity pulls your blood downward toward your legs and lower body. In an instant, your blood pressure in the brain drops. This drop triggers a temporary lack of oxygen in your brain, and for a few seconds, the world can feel like it's spinning. That moment is called orthostatic hypotension. Orthostatic meaning standing upright, and hypotension meaning low blood pressure. Your body's built-in stabilizer. Luckily, your body has an incredible built-in system designed to fix this problem, and it's called the baroreflex system. Think of the baroreflex as your body's automatic pressure regulator. Inside your arteries, particularly near your neck and heart, are sensors called baroreceptors units. They constantly monitor your blood pressure. When you stand up too quickly and your blood pressure drops, those sensors send an urgent signal to your brain. Pressure's down. Boost it now. Your brain then tells your heart to beat faster and your blood vessels to tighten, pushing blood back up toward your brain. Within seconds, your oxygen levels normalize and the dizziness fades. It's a fantastic rescue mission happening faster than you can blink, all without you realizing it. Why, some people feel it more. Now, not everyone experiences that dizzy spell the same way. Some people rarely notice it, while others feel it almost every time they stand. Here's why. Dehydration. Less fluid in your bloodstream means your body struggles to maintain pressure. Fatigue or lack of sleep slows down your body's reflexes, including the baroreflex system. Low blood sugar weakens your body and makes it more sensitive to changes. Medications. Some blood pressure or heart medicines can exaggerate this effect. If you experience frequent or severe dizziness, it is essential to discuss this with a healthcare provider to rule out any underlying conditions and ensure your safety. Additionally, be aware of warning signs such as fainting, chest pain, or dizziness lasting more than a few seconds, as these symptoms may require immediate medical attention. Growth or height. Taller people or teenagers going through rapid growth often experience this more because blood has to travel farther upward. Even standing up after sitting cross-legged for a long time can make it worse, because your blood vessels in your legs are temporarily compressed, making it harder for blood to rush back up. The dizzy illusion. What's fascinating is how the dizziness feels like motion, yet you're completely still. That's because your vestibular system, the balance center in your inner ear, suddenly receives confusing signals. The vestibular system works through tiny structures in your inner ear that detect motion and changes in position. When blood flow to your brain drops, so does the activity in your sensory systems, including the vestibular system. This can lead to a mismatch in signals coming from your eyes, ears, and balance sensors, creating the illusion that the world is spinning or that you're swaying. It's like when you're playing a video game and the graphics glitch, causing everything on the screen to freeze or stutter, giving you a jarring, confusing experience. Similarly, the temporary glitch in your body's signaling leaves you feeling out of sync with your surrounding. In those few seconds, your brain is essentially recalibrating reality, evolution's balancing act. You might wonder, if this happens to so many of us, why hasn't evolution fixed it? The truth is, the system is incredibly well designed. The baroreflex response kicks in so quickly that most of the time we never even notice a drop. But when we stand up too fast, or our bodies are tired or dehydrated, that system gets caught off guard for just a moment, and we feel it. It's a reminder that our bodies are in constant negotiation with gravity, fighting to keep the brain at just the correct pressure every second of every day. A thought to leave you with the next time you stand up too quickly and feel that familiar rush. Remember, it's your body running a split-second emergency drill to keep your brain alive and alert. While this sensation is usually harmless, it's essential to be cautious, especially for older adults or individuals with certain health conditions, as it can sometimes lead to a fall. It's not a weakness. It's a sign of how finely your biology works. Billions of years of evolution, and your body is still performing complex calculations in the blink of an eye, so that you can stay upright. Together, we'll keep exploring the everyday wonders hidden inside our own biology. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more fascinating science facts, hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see the full playlist, the link is in the description.